morning. We all are ready because today we are going for a picnic, and for picnic we are going to Kunjapuri temple. It's near Rishikesh, and I'll show you. I'll show you the whole journey and the temple as well. So right now we are just heading out, and Ellie is eating chapati, actually paratha, and I have not eaten anything because I'm going to the temple, and I just believe that we should not eat the whole grain food. So I have eaten few dry fruits, and Arjun has also eaten one paratha. So now we are all set to go, right Ellie?
Yeah. डाली डाली फूलों की तुझको बुलाए रे मुसाफिर मेरे उत्तराखंड में बादलों के ओढ़नी वादियां गीत सुनाए मीठे मीठे मेरे उत्तराखंड में अरे पिजोरे मेरे पहाड़ को अरे पिजोरे मेरे पहाड़ को ठंडो पानी.
And now we have reached the place from where we have to climb up. This is the entry for stairs. Here you can find few shops from where you can buy prasad, chundri and some souvenirs of this place. And you can also have tea or coffee or any snacks. So this is basically a parking area also. And now we are ready to climb up. We are heading towards the stairs now. Now I would like to tell you the story behind this temple. The history or mythology behind this temple is that this temple is established at the spot where the chest of goddess Sati had fallen after the Tandav or the dance of rage and sorrow of the Lord Shiva. Kunjapuri temple is one of the great 52 Shakti Peeths of the Hindu religion. Therefore, this temple is very pious and sacred place for Hindus. Hi guys, now we are climbing the stairs. I don't know how many stairs are these, but I'll let you know. And they both are also coming. Are you guys tired already? So now I'll see you guys in the temple. There's the Maggie point in this one. They are calling us for tea and Maggie. We'll definitely stop by. मेरे उत्तराखंड में we are there. We are here. Ellie, see?
Daddy, what are the monkeys doing?
They are eating.
गणेशा है गणा हो या मोरी काना रणा है गणा हो या खोली का गणेशा है गणा हो या मोरी काना रणा है
We are done with the darshan. Now we are going back. इतने सारे बंदर थे, इतने सारे, उन्होंने आतंक मचाया हुआ था कि ना हम अच्छे से फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक कर पाए। हाँ, लेकिन हमारे दर्शन हो गए और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था मंदिर में। और हम थोड़ा और टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, बट मंकीज़ ने काफ़ी आतंक फैलाया।
वही तो मेरे बैग पे कूदे,
बैग पे जंप मार के। Now we are hungry, so we are gonna eat something in the Maggie point here, which I showed you on our way up, and let's see what they have. I see एक बटर टोस्ट और एक मैगी और 2 कॉफ़ी कर दीजिए। कहाँ पे बैठे, यहाँ पे या वहाँ पे मंकी आएंगे? अगर वहाँ भैया यहाँ पे बैठेंगे तो बंदर आएंगे ना। तो ये है जो रास्ता नीचे जा रहा है, हम यहाँ पे से इस छोटे से रेस्टोरेंट में आए हुए हैं। ये भी सिटिंग एरिया है, पीछे मैंने आपको बताया वहाँ पे भी सिटिंग एरिया है। और मैंने इनसे वॉशरूम पूछा है तो इन्होंने इस तरफ कहीं बताया है, तो लेट्स गो देयर। You can wipe your hands with this. Ellie has washed her hands and now she is eating apples.
But I don't like dirty apples.
These are not dirty apples. These are just brown apples. Food is here. I have ordered Maggie, coffee, toast.
Water, please, Daddy.
ये कॉफ़ी का मैं दूध जैसी लग रही है, दूध पे ही बनाई हुई है। Ellie, you also want to eat Maggie? Ellie, you want to eat Maggie or you want to eat paratha?
You want to eat pasta?
Daddy.
परी, कौन सी क्लास में हो? 3 में। और स्कूल का नाम?
स्कूल का नाम
नहीं पता। गवर्नमेंट। आप क्या करते हो अभी? आजकल स्कूल नहीं जा रहे हो?
नहीं, दुकान देख रही हूँ मैं।
दुकान देखते हो? कितने बजे तक? 4 बजे तक। खाना खा लिया? And now we are buying some chunris from Pari's shop. This shop is running by these 2 sisters. So if you will ever visit Kunjapuri temple, please do support them by buying something from their shop. Let's see. This is her first time drinking this sugarcane juice. Okay, little bit. Let's see. Do you like this sugar?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
So nice. Already गर्मी आ गई है, समझ में?
बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग है.
She's not liking me to drink it.
You don't want to drink it, are you?
And guys, this is an old town, Narendra Nagar. It is nearby Kunjapuri temple, and as you can see, the whole market is still in the same condition as it was before when it was built by the king Narendra Singh, the king of Tirhi Garhwal. It is also a must visit place in Tigri district.